What's up, you guys? How's it going? This is Destiny. This once again, and today was doesn't new about me and about my channel. I am not a student anymore, but I'm in Australia now at the moment. And if you knew my story and if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So anyhow, today is my off and I'm not have any plans, but I'm trying to be productive. And last week I've been sick, really sick. I even doesn't have the chance to go to work. Like I had 2 absences, like 2 days, because I got a really bad headache. I was negative in COVID. I did test twice, but it's all negative. So it's not COVID, but I think it's because of the weather, because it's currently changing now. It's getting cold and then it's getting hot. Like, look at that, it's gloomy. So I'm not sure what's the weather today, but my plans for today is I'm going to where I'm going to chef's hat. My wisdom tooth is hurting. I don't know if I'm gonna take it out, or I'm gonna, it's too expensive here to fix your tooth. So I I wouldn't say that I couldn't afford it, because it's a bad thing. Uh, Not now. Yeah, because one of my like the one that I believe in my life is that I don't want to say that, because it means like there's no money coming in. But if you keep saying there's more money, even if you don't really have that much, but you still get enough, at least it's better to say that. Not now. I couldn't afford it, not now, but soon, like, you know. So I'm going to chef's hat. I'm gonna change my uniform. I bought it like last year. I don't know if they will still change it, but I was gonna change it into black, and it was too small. My neck was like, it was really tight on my neck. I couldn't move, so I need to change it. And then I'm gonna buy a new uniform if they won't change it. And then chef pants, because I only have one uniform, one chef jacket, one chef pants, and the shoes still red. It's been like a year now. My shoes still fine. They still work. And what else? I got chef with the hat. And what else? After that, I'm going to Kmart. And when you're adult and you really into kitchenwares, kitchen, like, you know, things at home. So that's I'm been up to for the moment, and I'm going to Kmart, and I'm gonna bring you with me so that you'll see, like, Kmart. It's like where all the Filipinos goes whenever they want to buy something for their home, because it's cheap. It's cheaper compared to other places, and I just, yeah, Kmart. I love it. It works very well. You have, yeah, and anyway, I need a new mug. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to Maya first to buy a mug, or yeah, cause my mug is like really bad now. The paint on the mug was starting to peel off, so I need to change my mug. I only got 2 mugs, so I need 2 more, because the other mug I'm probably gonna put the plant on it, but we'll see how we go. Alrighty, too much explanation. Anyway, see you there. Anyway, I wake up like 7 a.m. in the morning, so I wanted to be productive today, and I'm gonna get up now. I'm gonna get up, but going back. So that's G. Look at that. She's smiling at me. And then that's my vision board. So let's go. rosemary, and rice from Ghani. So that's it. You need to push up so that they're gonna be intact, and then I'm gonna add water later. Okay. With Abby. With kuan pa twinkle sa mata.
Exhibition Centre. At this stop, the doors will open on the left-hand side of the tram.
That's where I
Change here for routes
work.
12 and 109. After the next stop, this tram will turn right.
Hello passengers, this is a reminder to be aware of oncoming traffic.
I almost forgot to bring you guys. So we're already in Chef's Hat Bay. And then I just need to scan the... Oh, hiring sila oh! In case if you wanna look for a job, they're hiring. Up to you. Masa nang balik yan? What is this big? Passion fruit tart, croissant. What did I buy with my YouTube sahod? Sakit ng ngipin ko. Ang bigat. Doesn't matter. I wish them to do screen pool right now, but I need to figure out how I'm gonna beat this one. Strawberry. Ano, kakabili ko, nahulog. Nag-crack siya. Nag-crack talaga siya. Pero nagamit pa naman ko. Sayang. Kakabili ko lang. So, I made up to the apartment. I need to, I'm not gonna, like, you know, sakwat this one because it's very heavy. I'm just gonna drag it on the floor. And I think it's better. So my room is still like 10 steps more, 15 steps more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Charot. Nag-intro na ako kanina, pero today I was really exhausted because yung microwave is really heavy. And I would say the first Uber that I booked waited for 7 minutes, 8 minutes, canceled on me, so it automatically go to the next one. And then lucky the guy is good, a bit nice, because he helped me bring the thing to the back side, the back part of the car. So today we're gonna unbox the microwave. So that's where I spent my YouTube salary. I bought a microwave because we don't have a microwave at home, and if I need to cook something or heat it up something, it's really hard, and it's an investment, because if I got a home when I move to my real home, I could use it. Char! Feeling! Murag kapor. Tingnan nyo guys, basang-basa yung kilikili ko. It was really wet. Look at that. It was really hot. Today, 28 today. It was really hot, and I'm wearing this. Mamma mia. Anyway. So, even on the actual shop, they don't like, they just help me go to the counter to bring this back because they are busy and they're working as well. So they just help me bring this one on the counter. That's it. And then I went to the elevator. I'm supposed to go to the escalator, but it's too heavy. I couldn't take that risk. So I'm gonna get a knife. Moment of truth. Is it worth it? Oh, I hope so. Alright, I hope it works, because if it won't hurt, if it won't work, I'm gonna be having a hard time bringing back this one to the shop. Anyway, so alright. So guys, yeah, I was very lucky that the guy helped me. So I'm gonna open it now. Some apartment they already have microwave, which is good, but this apartment doesn't have. And I just used the small one because the big one is super heavy now, and I'm just alone. And yeah, I wanted to I don't know, like, gusto kong productive yung araw ko. Magagawa ako. Ano naman ito? Hirap naman ito. Yan o, i-open. Okay, ito na. Moment of truth! Tan-da-da-dan! Charot lang. Ay, ang daming daming charmelin. So, malaking styrofoam. Okay. What's this? May cellophane pa. Paano ko ito kukunin? Ang bigat. Okay. Dapat ibababa ko po siya, guys. Parang ano na. It's really heavy. Ang liit ng lalo nito, tapos ano pa? Ah. So, yan yung unboxing natin. May ano siya, 12-month replacement guarantee. So, 1 year. Tapos, meron siyang guide. So, okay. May microwave na tayo. May magagamit na tayo. Pag mainit na ang pag malamig natin ito, pwede na natin ilagay sa oven, ang microwave. Thank you, Lord, sa mga blessings. And thank you guys for watching my content about being international student. It's like, it's not very luxurious, hindi yung sasakyan, yung mga maliliit na bagay. Kasi, pag yung na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, like, kukunin ko ba to? I think so. So, ito, kukunin ko to. Yes. So, yun nga. Dito may vlog pa. Diyos ko Lord. Ba't ang bigat-bigat mo? Anong problema nito? So, may vlog. Kunin ko lang to. Tapos, yes! I'm so happy! Try natin kung ma-open ba siya. Daran! Walang glass? Wait lang. Hindi ko gets. Caution, hot surface. After cooking, do not touch it. Okay, so it's not a regular microwave na may yung ano sa loob, yung may glass. So this is easier to clean as well. So that looks fancy. Charot na. So nilalagay ko na siya dito. Hopefully magkasya. Magkasya siya guys. Maliit na nga to eh. Tapos, you know what's funny? Kasi, itong sa babaw, nahulog. Tangina, nahulog, nag-crack. Kasi dito ko ilalagay yung heater tsaka para save space. Kaso, nahulog kanina. Yung habang dinadala ko tong malaking ito. So, yun. Move that. Ay, tipak yun. Shit. Ang bigat niya talaga. Tama ba? Ito lang itong rice cooker natin. Tapos, isasaksak. Tadaan! Oh my God! Ako'y kinikilig. Meron na kaming meron na kaming ganito. Hindi na to laro-laro. Totoo na talaga to guys. Oh my gosh! Can't believe it. Kasi ang hirap pag ng food, iinit mo naman, i-open mo naman, kukuha ka na naman ng pot para lang mainit, diba? So, ay, basa pa din. Wait lang. Ano ko lang? May tissue ko eh. Kasi, to be honest, yung gusto ko talagang target na bilhin pag nagkasahod na ako sa YouTube is KitchenAid's dan mixer. Eh kasong mahal, hindi ma-afford ng sahod natin. So, saka na yun. Ito muna ngayon. Kasi talagang magagamit namin to. And then, dito sa baba. Oh my God. Ay, sobrang po. Okay, open sesame. Hindi pa siya mag-aros. I think not. That's fine. Hopefully it's fine, my darling. Dapat may ano siya, parang stick. May something to, parang chopping board na dapat may ano sa, para hindi siya mag-move sa ilalim. Ay, grabe talaga. Nahulog talaga. Eto. Buti pa naman at intact pa. Yan lang yung masasabi ko. At, tsaka, ito kasi yung ina-imagine ko before. Diba? Nasaan na yung ano? Wait, ano ko lang to. So this one is gonna be on this side. Limang. Matusok kamay. Ay, gumagalaw-galaw. Paano kaya ito yan? Tapos yung heater is yan! It's moving. ang tangkad naman. So, may microwave na kami. May magagamit na kami. Tapos, wala nang saksakan yung ano. Rice cooker. Tapos ito, saan ito lalagay? Ano, kasya pa dito sa gilid. Kasya pa naman. Ay, move ko na lang siya ng banta dyan. Diba? Okay lang ba? What do you think? What do you think, mates? Is it alright? Try natin na kung gumana. You know? So, first try is i-reheat natin yung pagkain mo kanina kasi nagutom ako. Nagluto din ako ng pansit. Tapos, wait, ano nga yun? At matingkad. Charot. So, pagkain ako dito. Ito yung pagkain ko. So, ito-try natin sa ating first microwave, you guys! Oh my God! Thank you, Lord, sa mga blessings. At sa marami pang darating na blessings, maraming salamat. So, open sesame. Lalagyan natin to kasi it's just a, karton. And then, ano ba yan? Auto reheat. Anong number? Paano ba yung number? Hindi ko pa ito alam paano gamitin. Hindi ko pa alam paano gamitin. 1 minute. And then, so, hindi na ako nagbasa. I just roll it in for 1 minute. And then, press ko yung parang button. Parang siya, like half button, half like circular motion. Ganon. Tangina! Totoo na talaga tong oven. I didn't regret that. I'm supposed to buy the one that is like, I'm supposed to buy the one which is like a bit cheaper, but I said, okay, that's fine. It's better to invest on something that you're gonna use for long term. And microwave, we always use it all the time, like heating food. Because at work, like when you're very exhausted and you don't have time to cook, or you know, every time I finish work, I cook at home when it's like a time, but I'm very exhausted already. And when you heat it up something, tapos na, when you heat it up something, I need to use the pan. So moment of truth, mainit na siya! Look at that! May smoky pa. So, approve, Breville. Breville, you're the best! Next time, KitchenAid. Fingers crossed! KitchenAid stand mixer. Alright guys, bon appetit! Nagutom ako, kakagawin to. It's very worth it yung ating microwave. Yep. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, guys. And if you really like my content for today, don't forget to click the like, subscribe button, and click the notification bell as well, so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you, guys. Once again, see you in the next one. Bye. So we already bought the microwave, so we're gonna take that one, put across, crush it out, and the next one is dryer mop mirror stand. So that's not like very urgent. Even the microwave, we didn't buy it right away when we move in because we still can live without it. But yeah, I just realized like when I'm working and when I'm so hungry, I really need it. So look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Approve.